Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Natural Remedies. What gives young skin that bouncy, firm, glowing look? The answer is collagen. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It makes up about 70 to 80% of your skin. Think of it as the structural scaffolding that holds everything together. It keeps your skin firm, plump, smooth, and elastic. But here's the problem. After the age of 20, your body naturally starts producing less collagen. About 1 to 2% less every single year. By the time you reach 40, you may have lost a significant amount. That's when wrinkles appear, skin becomes thinner, and wounds heal slower. Now here's what most people don't realize. You cannot apply collagen to your skin and expect it to absorb. Collagen molecules are too large to penetrate the skin barrier. So those expensive collagen creams, they mostly sit on top. The real solution comes from the inside out, and that starts with what you eat. Today, we are breaking down the best collagen boosting foods that actually work. No fake claims, no expensive products to buy, just real science-backed foods that help your body build collagen naturally. Let's get into it. Number 1. Bone broth. Bone broth contains hydrolyzed collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline, the exact amino acids needed to build collagen. It directly provides collagen building blocks. Multiple studies show that consuming collagen peptides from bone broth increases skin elasticity and hydration. Number 2. Fish. Fish skin and bones are packed with marine collagen. These peptides are smaller and more absorbable than any other collagen source. They are rich in type 1 collagen, the most abundant collagen in human skin. Multiple trials prove marine collagen improves skin hydration and elasticity. Plus, omega-3s reduce inflammation that destroys collagen. That's why fish is one of the best collagen boosting foods.
Number 3. Chicken. Chicken connective tissue, especially feet, neck and back, is a natural source of type 2 collagen. Chicken feet are extremely rich in collagen. A 2016 human trial showed chicken collagen peptides improve skin hydration and reduce wrinkles, with effects similar to fish collagen. Number 4. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is absolutely required for collagen synthesis. Without it, the enzymes that build collagen cannot function and production stops completely. Severe deficiency causes scurvy, bleeding gums, poor wound healing, and fragile skin. No nutrient is more essential. But citrus provides no amino acids, so pair it with protein sources like fish or eggs. Number 5. Oysters. Oysters are extremely rich in zinc and copper. Both are required for lysyl oxidase, the enzyme that cross-links collagen fibers to make skin firm. Without them, collagen fibers remain weak and disorganized. Number 6. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are very high in zinc. Zinc is required for the enzyme that cross-links collagen fibers to make skin firm. Without them, collagen fibers remain weak and disorganized. Zinc deficiency directly harms wound healing and skin integrity. And pumpkin seeds are a cheap plant-based source. Number 7. Eggs. Egg whites are rich in proline and glycine, two amino acids that make up about 50% of collagen's amino acid structure. Eggshell membrane also contains type 1 and type 5 collagen. Studies show eggshell membrane supplementation improves skin elasticity and reduces wrinkles. The yolk also provides skin-supporting vitamins. Number 8. Berries. Berries are packed with vitamin C and anthocyanins. Anthocyanins protect collagen from UV damage and block enzymes that destroy collagen. Berries protect existing collagen more than they build new collagen. Number 9. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene. Lycopene increases pro-collagen and protects against UV damage. Cooked tomatoes release more lycopene. But lycopene is more protective than collagen building. Number 10. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers give you more than 100% of your daily vitamin C per serving. They also contain capsaicin, which reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation activates enzymes that destroy collagen. So capsaicin helps protect your existing collagen. Number 11. Garlic. Garlic is high in sulfur, which helps synthesize collagen and prevents its breakdown. Also contains taurine and lipoic acid to repair damaged collagen fibers. Sulfur-containing amino acids, methionine and cysteine, help cross-link collagen fibers, making skin stronger.
No single food will transform your skin overnight, but a consistent diet rich in vitamin C, zinc, copper, amino acids, and antioxidants will absolutely help your body build stronger, healthier, more glowing skin over time. And remember, diet is only one piece of the puzzle. Sun protection, good sleep, staying hydrated, and avoiding smoking are just as important. Your skin is a reflection of your overall health, not just your last meal. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone who spends too much money on skincare products without seeing results. Subscribe our channel Healthy Natural Remedies for more science-backed health truths. Take care. See you in the next one.